Hey guys, Wanderboom here. Had a lot of really fun projects to do over the past year and a half, and keep coming across new interesting people to work on their things. And very recently came across somebody that many of you will probably know. Had the great opportunity here to rework a lovely new fifth wheel trailer table area and turn it into a really cool desk project. And so I got to do this though for a wonderful new friend of ours, Robin of Creativity RV. And here she is.
Hi, everybody.
So yeah.
He's a genius.
What was your main need and
well, you know,
with this situation?
those little dinettes are made for, you know, people and their kids or something to squeeze into to have dinner. I was working 13, 15 hours a day sometimes at my desk. I'm a writer and a vlogger, so dinette was killing me. So this guy figured out a way that I could have a desk, a two-person desk, and an eating area that all collapses and folds down into what I need with cubbies for storage for my individual items, and it has absolutely changed how I work. It's amazing.
Awesome. Yeah, it was a really fun project, and here it is. Enjoy.
I know I am.
Here I'm inside the beautiful new fifth wheel for Robin of Creativity RV. Gonna take out this little table she's got here and set up a nice new maple desk for her. Custom fit to the spice and a little more useful for her needs. So just getting started here. Gonna pull this existing little table out of here and get working on a cool little maple desk. Slopping water, weight paint water around.
Nice. Wow, that does look really nice with the counter.
Mm-hmm.
So it's hard to see in this light. Once it's all done, it'll be so much more. Because you're just starting, right? The upper part hasn't been done.
Right.
Holy crap, honey, this is beautiful.
So yeah, this is the desk I've been working on for a couple of days for Robin of Creativity RV. And again, there was just a simple little dinette table here that was way too tight for her to fit the chair in on the back side and have another chair on this side. So decided she wanted to expand things quite a bit. And so we added a number of interesting touches, including a nice little cubby for some space over here on the end for power strip for the to plug everything in, and we've got this handy table. And she has this this chair to sit at the end here. And it folds up, and so the idea was, where do you come up with a space for it? So I created this little nook down here, and so the chair simply folds up, simply folds, there we go. Okay, and slides right in there to be easily hidden away, and that way too, when if it's not needed, the table can simply be put down like that, and the chair disappears. It has its own little hiding space, and the desk is fully functional. Okay, so another aspect of this was her monitor here is when she's traveling, she wanted to be able to have a space to put the monitor. So what I did was I created a little pouch or a little slot down here, so that when the computer's not in use, the monitor's not in use, it can simply slide right in down here and rest safely in the spot here. This base actually comes off, so it can slide in even more. There's a cushion down in the back down there, and it's tight on the end, so it won't move around at all. And there's a cushion, a little cushiony pad on the towards the face as well. So, but if she doesn't need to necessarily take the base off, she can just leave it like this. Room for additional storage underneath. This space on the end was actually big enough so that her tripod can fit right back in here. And basically just the end over here works almost like an armrest on the end, but gives her a really nice little workspace, big wide space. And then with the table fully open, she can actually also work on puzzles or have dinner with multiple guests. So nice little multi-use space here in Robin's beautiful new fifth wheel. Well, I hope you guys liked that. It was a lot of fun to, again, I love the problem solving of these kind of projects, and meeting awesome new people to work with. And keep an eye out for all of our videos, and be sure to like and share, and we'll link over to Robin's channel, of course, if you're not familiar with it. And
This guy.
stay tuned.
Genius.
Thanks, guys.
Miracle worker.